Alright, well, this is for Ghetto Pube Wax. I'm really not looking forward to it, which means, you know who did it, it would be Goody. If there's a mission I'm not looking forward to, Goody made it. God damn, this is the old, super sticky. This ain't just like regular duct tape, this is like extra sticky. See all that hair? Look at that. I'm really scared about this, guys. Like, really scared. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Let's try that again. Okay. It burns. Okay. Okay. I'll go even lower for more hair. Ow! One more time. We'll go even lower. It's not very sticky. Alright, one more time with sticky tape. One more time. Ooh, lowest yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it was. Oh, now it hurts more. Oh, my skin's turning all pink. Look, right there and there. And there, it's all pink. Oh! What the fuck? Fuck this.